So first of all, you had for the animated alerts, you had to go into the alerts with double clicking it. So and that type of image you animated to want to use, you go to media and click only change. It takes a while to update it for the other works, but you choose your stuff you want to know, you want to use, sorry, and yeah, click finish. And before you do clicking OK, click, or means click done, you doing the all stuff you want to change for. Also, the same goes into the media for um, the sound file. You change it to them, and when you're done all from these you want to use, you click OK. And that was all for the animated alerts, but we can test it here again. So with the follow. And that was all about the animated alerts for the alert box for streamers to add in it. I hope you enjoyed it.